Hello students, I am your Z sir, welcoming you in the new part for the chapter number 2, that is part number 2. Chapter is acid, bases and salt for standard 10. Let's start. Last video we had studied the acid base reaction with different metal oxide carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate, neutralization reaction, everything we had understand. How to test hydrogen, how to test carbon dioxide. So now we're going to start from what do all acid and base have in common. So acid and base have what thing they have common. So first we will go through acid. So acid, all acid have H plus ion. Okay, all acid have H plus ion. Some have less H plus ion, some have high H plus ion because of their strong. So strong acid have more H plus ion and weak acid have low H plus ion. This H plus ion responsible for acidic property. So why it is acidic property? The acidic property of the acid is because of H plus ion. Coming on to base, so all base have OH minus ion. Okay, some have more and some have less. Weak acid have less OH minus ion, whereas a strong base have high OH minus ion. And this OH minus ion responsible for this basic property. So this property of this basic base property is because of OH minus. Now acid and base in water solution. So now when the acid is react with the water, what it form? So acid is because of H plus ion only, which I already told you in last slide. When it react with water, H plus H2O, it gives us H3O positive. You can call as a hydronium ion. This is a hydronium ion. Okay. Now taking that in place of H plus, we know that HCl is acidic in nature, or you can say strong acid. And react with H2O, it liberate, it gives us the product H3O positive plus Cl negative. ठीक है, ये clear हुआ. I had written one point, that is H plus ion cannot exist alone. Yes, ये the H plus ion is not exist alone. उसे अकेला रहना पसंद ही नहीं है. वो क्या करता है, अपना बॉन्ड बना लेता है H2O के साथ and it become a H3O positive. You can call as a hydronium ion. ठीक है, you have to keep in your mind this point. Okay, it is important note. Now base when dissolved with water. Now base when dissolved with water, it gives us OH minus ion. ठीक है, so in place of OH I am taking the NaOH. Okay, when it react with the water, it gives us Na plus and OH minus. तो हमें क्या देगा, Na plus देगा, OH minus हमें मिलेगा. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Keep in your mind that when acid react with water, what the product is, and when the base react with water, what the product is. Clear? Now moving forward. Universal indicator. We had studied already 3 type of indicator in previous part. In this part, we will gonna study what is universal indicator. Universal indicator is nothing but the mixture of all the indicator in the single indicator. Okay, it is a mixture of several indicator. Clear? It shows different color at different concentration of H plus ion. Okay, so this universal indicator indicate the concentration of H plus ion in this indicator. Okay, so whenever we have any solution and as according to the H plus ion, this pH will be work. Now what is pH? pH is nothing but the power H plus, power of H plus. pH, P means power, H is the H plus ion. It shows the power of H plus ion in the solution. Okay, here on your slide I am showing you this figure. Okay, here H is in between. Okay, if my pH is at 7, you can call it a neutral. Okay, if we move on to the left side of 7, that it means your acidic, that means pH is acidic, okay, and if I am moving on the right side, that means the basic nature increase ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस, वो हमें बेसिक नेचर दिखाएगा। अब आप बोल रहे हो सर कि ये तो H प्लस आयन दिखाता है, तो किस तरीके से बेसिक नेचर दिखाएगा? बच्चा ये नीचे वाला देखिए आप डायग्राम, ये हमें ये शो कर रहा है कि H प्लस शो कर रहा है। दैट मीन्स एनी सब्सटेंस विच हैव H प्लस इट ऑल्सो हैव OH माइनस आयन विथ, ओके। कभी सब्सटेंस के अंदर साथ में दोनों के दोनों आयन प्रेजेंट होते हैं। जहां पे H प्लस आयन ज्यादा होते हैं वहां पे कम H प्लस, वहां पे OH माइनस कम होते हैं। जहां पे H प्लस कम होते हैं वहां पे OH माइनस ज्यादा है। Similarly it shows such like this only. So when I'm moving on to left side of my on my pH cell, so see here on this H plus is more, okay, H plus is increasing, that means my acidic nature of the substance is more, and here this blank space is indicate the OH minus ion is less over here. But when I am moving on the right side of my 7 pH, it means H plus is decreasing, okay, and that means it shows us a basic nature of the substance. That means it shows us that OH minus is more. Clear students? Always pH will be stay in between 0 to 14 only, that you have to keep in your mind. pH को हम हर एक जगह पे यूज करते हैं, वाटर pH देखते हैं, हमारे बॉडी का pH देखते हैं, हर एक जगह पे pH का हम यूज करते हैं। आपको और एक चीज ध्यान रखनी, pH का मतलब पावर H प्लस, पावर ऑफ H प्लस उसका फुल फॉर्म होता है, ठीक है। यू विल नॉट फाइंड एनीवेयर, आई एम गिविंग टू यू। लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। So uses or we can say importance of pH in everyday life. Yes, everyday life के अंदर हमारा pH का कहाँ पे यूज होता है और कहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंस है उसकी, let's see that. So as I told you that this is my pH from 0 to 14. Moving on to the right hand side from 7, you can say the substance is basic in nature, and moving on left hand side onto the 7, that means it's called substance acidic in nature. So this is nothing but the pH indicator digital इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ओके। जो कोई भी मिनरल वाटर वाले होते हैं, जो RO के वाले होते हैं, वो उनके पास यही होता है इंडिकेटर, वो हमें 0 to 14 के बीच में pH दिखाते हैं। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 4.40 लिखा हुआ है pH की वैल्यू, ठीक है, तो ये एसिडिक हमें बता रहा है। सो दिस इज ए इंडिकेटर, ओके, digital indicator. Now let's start from the first point. Our body works between pH 7 to 7.5. Yes, our body will work, हमारा बॉडी का भी कोई pH होता है, so our body will be work between if our pH is between 7 to 7.8, okay. If my pH is less than 7 or we can say greater than 7.8, that means we will not feel well. हमें फील अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, हमें किसी ना कहीं दिक्कत होती रहती है, ठीक है। नाउ if my pH, second point, pH of rain less than 5.8 called acid rain. Okay, when we call that rain is acid rain, when that rain pH value is less than 5.6, that is called as a acid rain. That you have to keep in your mind. All the point is very important, okay. If they ask in 2 mark question in exam, it is also important, or else they can ask in 1 mark question also. So it is very important point. Our stomach produce HCl also. We already know that in chapter 6 life process I already explained you stomach produce HCl, and its range is between 1 to 2. pH of that HCl is 1 to 2, okay, इनके बीच में रहती है। Tooth decay start when pH of mouth less than 5.5. Yes, कब हमारे जो दांत सड़ने लगते हैं, जब हमारे माउथ में pH होता है वो लेस देन 5.5 रहता है, तब हमारे दांत टूथ होते हैं वो सड़ने लगते हैं। प्लांट नीड स्पेसिफिक pH फॉर देयर हेल्थी ग्रो. यस, ऑब्वियसली प्लांट आल्सो नीड द स्पेसिफिक pH for the growth, for the development, for the production. Last point, self-defense by animal. pH is also used for their self-defense by the animal. For example, honeybee. Here I am showing you the picture of honeybee. Honeybee is using their self-defense to prevent their house from any human और एनी कोई भी भालू बियर हो गया उससे, तो क्या करते हैं हनीबी डंक मारने पीछे आती है, भागती है ना, तो हम बोलते हैं दूर रहो उससे। तो वैसे भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, हनी बी के पास 5 आईज होती है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, ऐसे एग्जाम में नहीं आता, आपके समझने के लिए बता रहा हूं, आई एम टेलिंग फॉर योर नॉलेज, हनी बी हैव 5 आईज, ओके, which we have to keep in your mind. When now coming on to our main point, that is honey bee when bite you, तो उसका जो डंक होता है वो आपकी बॉडी में रह जाता है, तो वो कौन सा एसिड प्रोड्यूस करता है, मिथेनोइक एसिड प्रोड्यूस करता है, उसकी वजह से आपको सूजन आ जाती है, इट इज वेरी पेनफुल टू अस, ओके, so it is used for the self defense. Now moving forward, we had up to here we had studied the acid, base, indicator, we had studied. Now coming on to the salt, okay, salt is an ionic compound formed by neutralization reaction. How it formed? It formed through the neutralization reaction, which I already explained in the previous part. What is neutralization reaction? Okay students, so again we will study here that acid and base when react with each other they give us salt, clear, and H2O. So this is called as a neutralization reaction. Example of salt is NaCl and CCl2. So this NaCl is a common salt which we are using in the kitchen. So some of the chemical are prepared from the salt. अब salt हमें ऐसा लगता है salt सिर्फ खाने में होता है, नहीं, salt अलग अलग salt होते हैं, ऐसे मैंने आपको बोल दिया, which I had already told you that NaCl is a common salt which we are using in our for cooking, okay, and other salt which we are preparing from different chemical are used to prepare different chemical reaction, okay. So which are the chemicals obtained from this salt are first 2,5, that is sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, and the plaster of Paris, you can say POP. Now we will understand one by one each and every chemical reaction, how it form and the uses where we are using this. Let's start students. The first one is a chemical reaction from common salt. So sodium hydroxide you can call as a NaOH. So when the electricity passed through an aqueous solution of NaCl, it decomposed to form NaOH. So, okay, so when NaCl is react with H2O, that is called as a aqueous solution, okay. When the electricity passed through this solution, what happens is NaCl is decomposed, मतलब अलग हो जाएगा, and form the NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Now this Cl2 is released at anode and H2 is released at cathode, and this NaOH is formed at cathode only. तो ये आपको समझ में आ गया. caustic soda कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? caustic soda we are preparing from, you can call as a from NaCl. So caustic soda को हम sodium hydroxide भी बोलते हैं. Now where we are using this NaOH, so it is used to make soap and detergent. Yes, soap, to prepare soap and detergent we can use this caustic soda, or you can say sodium hydroxide. Second point is it used in paper manufacture. This thing is used to prepare, or you can say it is used in the paper manufacture for the preparation of paper. Now third point is it is used in oil refining. Oil refining में हम caustic soda यूज करते हैं. जो क्रूड ऑयल होता है, पेट्रोल, ये सबको अलग अलग करना होता है, उसके लिए भी ये caustic soda यूज करते हैं. Another point is it is used in PVC manufacturing. PVC means polyvinyl chloride, ठीक है. PVC मतलब क्या होता है? polyvinyl chloride होता है. उसके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए हम caustic soda को यूज करते हैं. We are using this caustic soda for the manufacture of PVC. Last point but not the least, also used as pesticide. This caustic soda is also used for pesticide. Pesticide means जंतुनाशक दवा के लिए भी हम उसको यूज करते हैं. Where we are using pesticide, we are using in agriculture to kill the different small organism to prevent from them. Okay, moving on to the next point, that is bleaching powder. What is bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is nothing but the CaOCl2 are a bleaching powder. So it is produced by reaction of chlorine on a slake lime. Okay, when we have slake lime, you can say dry slake lime. Dry slake lime कौन सी है हमारे पास? CaOH/2. When there is action of Cl2 on slake lime, it gives us CaOCl2. This CaOCl2 is nothing but the baking powder, okay, and also produce H2O. There is water. So where we are using this bleaching powder? So bleaching powder is using in bleaching cotton and linen in इंडस्ट्री. ब्लीचिंग को कहाँ पे यूज करता है ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को? हम कॉटन में और लिनिंग इन इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, मतलब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ क्लॉथ में हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर कमिंग ऑन टू द ब्लीचिंग वुड pulp in paper factories. If we want to bleach that wood to prepare a paper, we know that paper is prepared from wood. So before preparing that paper, we have to clean that wood. So it is through a bleaching powder. Third point is oxidizing agent in chemical industry. Yes, this bleaching powder is using as a oxidizing agent in chemical industry. ठीक है. Last point, but not the least, disinfecting drinking water. This bleaching powder is used to prevent our water from different bacteria. So when we are using this bleaching powder in our drinking water, it will remove, or you can say that it will kill the bacteria which is present in our drinking water. So it disinfecting drinking water, it prevent from infection. Now moving forward, that is third point, baking soda. You can call as a NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. ठीक है. When NaCl is react with water plus CO2 and plus NH4, that is called as ammonia, that all four reactants react with each other, it give us NH4Cl plus NaHCO3, that you can call as a baking soda. Okay students, this is a baking soda. So what is its property? It is mild, बहुत नरम होता है, ठीक है. नॉन कोरोसिव, इट विल बी नॉन कोरोसिव, दैट मीन्स वो सड़ता नहीं है. When it heated during cooking, अब from this point you can get to know that baking soda is mostly used in cooking. Okay, घर में इसको cooking के टाइम पे यूज करते हैं. You can ask to your mom also so use of baking soda. They are using this baking soda in your cooking. So it is one type of ingredient. So when we are using that baking soda and when we heat that cooking soda, NaHCO3, so it gives us Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, so uses of this NaHCO3 is used in an ingredient that is a antacid. Okay, this baking soda is also used as antacid. Antacid means आपको अगर एसिडिटी हो जाती है तो उस टाइम पे अगर आप बेकिंग सोडा को वाटर के साथ मिक्स करके पी लेंगे तो आपकी एसिडिटी कम हो जाएगी. तो क्या न्यूट्रलाइज कर देती है, आपकी एसिडिटी को कम कर देती है. एज यू नो द इनो, so in Eno they are using a baking soda. If you don't have Eno, you can use the baking soda for your acidity, to control your acidity. Okay students, now coming on to the second point of the use is used in fire extinguisher. This baking soda is also used in fire extinguisher because this produce carbon dioxide, CO2, so it is very useful to prevent from fire. Third point is for making baking powder. Yes, the baking soda is also used to prepare baking powder. How baking powder is prepared? Baking powder is prepared with a mixture of baking soda with a tartaric acid. Okay, use of baking powder. What is the use of baking powder? See, used in bread and cakes to make it soft and spongy. हमें अगर केक को स्पॉन्जी और सॉफ्ट बनाना, नरम और ढीला थोड़ा बनाना है, तो वी आर यूजिंग ए बेकिंग पाउडर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ स्पॉन्जी. वाइट स्पॉन्जी बिकॉज ऑफ CO2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज washing soda. So salt is also used to prepare a washing soda. So what is the formula for the washing soda? Is Na2CO3.10H2O. So crystallization of sodium carbonate give washing soda. So when this sodium carbonate gives us washing soda. So when Na2CO3 is added with 10 molecules of H2O, it gives us Na2CO3.10 H2O. Clear? You can also call it sodium carbonate hydrate. Okay, decahydrate. You can also speak like this also. So where we are using this washing soda, we are using this washing soda as in glass, soaps and paper industry. We are using all there too for their washing, for the cleaning. Manufacturing borax manufacturing के लिए, borax means manufacturing borax which is used in our house also to kill the bacteria, to clean our surface of wall. क्लीनिंग के लिए ये मोस्टली यूज होता है वॉशिंग सोडा, ठीक है. Then after cleaning agent in houses, which I already explained you, removing hardness of water. Yes, this is an important point that washing soda is used to remove the hardness of water. अगर हमारा वाटर थोड़ा हार्ड है, आपको पता चल जाएगा. अगर आप कहाँ पे भी रहते हो, ऊना में रहते हो, ठीक है. अगर आप दीव का पानी लोगे और ऊना का पानी लोगे, दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. तो दीव का पानी थोड़ा हार्ड होता है, ठीक है. तो व्हेन वी यूज द वॉशिंग सोडा इन दैट वाटर, इट रिमूव इट्स हार्डनेस. Okay, fifth point, last point of this preparation of chemical from this salt is plaster of Paris. You can call it CaSO4 1/2 H2O. You can call this calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When we are heating gypsum means CaSO4.2 H2O at 100 degrees Celsius, or you can say 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and become POP. Now what happened when we are heating this gypsum? Because of the heating this gypsum, we get the POP, that you can call as a plaster of Paris. अब यहाँ पे हमें पता चल रहा है कि इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या हुआ जिप्सम और प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस के अंदर. प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस there is only half molecules of H2O. Whereas in CaCO3, or you can say gypsum, there is 2 molecules of H2O. So you can call it, this reaction is reversible reaction. Okay, you can prepare a gypsum from CaO, plaster of Paris, and from plaster of Paris you can form a gypsum. So it is white powder, on mixing with water it change in gypsum. So as I told you, it is a reversible reaction. So when I have a plaster of Paris, and when I add some amount of water, some amount of water, it give me again a a gypsum. Okay, it give me gypsum. Now where we are using this? So it is used by doctor to support फ्रैक्चर बोन. ओके, अगर आपके जो पाँव कहीं टूट जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसके वो प्लास्टर लगता है ना. सो और देयर दिस chemical is used. So doctor used to support the fractured bones for making toys, decoration material. Okay, इसको हम कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? We are using these to make a toys and also for decorating material. Third and last point is for making surface smooth. किसी भी surface को smooth करना होता है हमें, तो हम क्या करते हैं? POP बोला, POP लगाना है. Okay, so this is used to form the make the surface very smooth. Or one thing I have to tell you that gypsum is such like that when it अगर वो किसमें यूज करें? gypsum को हम यूज करते हैं, we are using cement. Okay, if it is stays surrounding for some time, it become hard. आपने देखा सीमेंट थोड़ा टाइम के लिए खुले में रह जाती है, सराउंडिंग में रह जाती है, तो थोड़ा कड़क हो जाती है. So it is because of gypsum. Okay students, so here our chapter number 2, acid, base and salt is completed. So I am your Jess sir, taking leave and ending this video over here. Bye bye.